Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In last videos, we covered up to pattern number 33. Now we are going to discuss about pattern number 34. What is this pattern? So in previous patterns, we worked with numbers, right? But now I don't want to work with numbers. I want to work with alphabets. I want to work with alphabets. Assume at very beginning, I want to print 5 A's in the first row, 5 A's in the second row, 5 A's in the third row, 5 A's in the fourth row, 5 A's in the fifth row. Like this, I have a particular requirement is there. Sir, to meet this requirement, what I am going to do is I will write a program. I will write a program, but listen carefully. Here, I am going to use one special function called, there are two special functions are there. One function is nothing but ORD, ordinal value, where you have to pass a character which will return ASCII value of the given character. Similarly, CHR function is there where you have to pass one integer. It returns character value of the given ASCII code. ASCII code. So you can give her your ASCII code. For that, it will return character. And remember, for lowercase, for uppercase alphabets, the ASCII value is 65. For lowercase alphabet, the ASCII value will start from 97. So I'm giving only for one character. It will be continued for remaining characters. For example, if you are taking capital B, its ASCII value will become 66. If you are taking capital C, its ASCII value will become 67. Like that, it will be repeated. But in this example, we have to print 65. Don't print A directly. We will use this character function to print that. I will write the code for this. So already we know how to generate rows and columns. Okay. So just have a look once. It will generate the values from 0 to 4. So just I want to print CHR of what is the ASCII value of capital A, sir? I want to print 65. So what will happen with the 5 rows and 5 columns? It is going to print capital A. We are not changing anything. Just we are trying to print capital A in 5 rows and 5 columns. Okay. This is nothing but how we can able to meet the corresponding requirement. Okay. I think you people got very clear clarity about this, sir. Right? Thank you.